How to delete Passkey in Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete a passkey in the Binance app. If you no longer want to use a passkey for logging in or simply need to remove an old one, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Removing a passkey can help if you're switching devices or prefer using traditional login methods. So make sure to watch this video till the end to avoid any mistakes, and let's get started. Launch the Binance app. Before proceeding, ensure that you are logged into your account to access all the necessary settings. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and complete any required security verification. Once you are inside the app, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you will notice an icon that represents your account settings. Tap on this icon to open a drop-down menu that provides access to various features and options. From the menu that appears, look towards the top section, where you will find your nickname or account name displayed. Tap on your nickname, and this will take you to your account details page, where you can manage different security settings and preferences. Now that you've arrived at the account info page, it's time to navigate to the security settings. Then tap on it to proceed. Within the security settings, you'll find various authentication and protection features that help keep your Binance account safe. Look for the option labeled Passkeys and tap on it. This section will display a list of all the passkeys currently linked to your account. To remove a specific passkey, carefully scan through the list and find the one you wish to delete. Once you've located it, you'll notice a trash can icon next to it. Tap on this icon to initiate the removal process. After tapping the trash can icon, a confirmation pop-up window will appear on your screen, asking you to confirm whether you are sure about deleting this passkey. Since this is a security-related action, take a moment to verify that you are removing the correct passkey. If you are certain about proceeding, tap on the Continue button within the pop-up. At this stage, another verification prompt will appear, requiring you to confirm your identity. This is a crucial security measure to prevent unauthorized changes to your Binance security settings. To finalize the deletion, you'll need to complete one last verification step. Tap on Continue once more to confirm your identity and authorize the removal of the selected passkey. This extra security measure ensures that only the rightful account owner can make such changes. Once the verification is successfully completed, your passkey will be permanently removed from your Binance account. From this point forward, you will no longer be able to use it for login or authentication purposes. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your passkey from Binance, ensuring your login method is set up just the way you prefer. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.